welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making something a little different. I know when most people think about the Vietnamese cuisine, they think about pho, they'll think about maybe a broken rice dish, the vermicelli noodle salads, spring rolls, even egg rolls. This one is actually less common, but equally as good, I think. Should be up there. I don't know why it's not. Well, I know why it's not, but we'll get into that in a little bit. But yeah, so this one is called Riêu Chay. Riêu is typically made, I think, because I've only ever had it. I mean, I grew up vegetarian vegan, so I've actually never had the real thing before. But I think it's typically made with crab. I don't know. But we're gonna be doing this with tofu, so. And it's a tomato-based broth with lemongrass. There's tomatoes, lemongrass, celery. I'm in a bit of a bind or a pinch, so I'm using canned vegetable broth. Otherwise, I would use my own. And then this is, I think, what's gonna make it less popular to most of the people. This is the fermented bean curd. This fermented taste is definitely one that is acquired. Not a lot of people like it because it is very bold and it kind of hits you in the face. But I like it, I grew up with it, and of course paprika. Things that you're going to need, definitely a block of firm tofu. We're going to be working with this. Baby. You want me to put it together? Where's the curd? Yeah. Here you go. Yeah. All done. All done. Okay, so we're going to be working with the firm tofu, and this is what we're going to be using to make the real part of the Riêu. I'll show you how to do it in a minute. But anyway, yeah, so we're going to fry this up, which is a frozen seaweed bean curd slice. It's kind of like vegan fish. And then fried tofu is going to be into the broth as well. For toppings on the side, because you're gonna have some lime, bean sprouts, mint, and cabbage. Well, I have purple cabbage or red cabbage. I couldn't find green cabbage at the Asian market, so we're just gonna work with this one, but you can use either or both. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, you want mommy to take it apart? Can mommy do it a little bit? Okay. Can we do it in a little bit? Let me finish real quick, okay? Really quick. Okay? And so I will show you guys how to prep everything and put it together. There is, again, a little bit of prep work involved, but definitely worth it. And once everything is prepped, everything goes really quick. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so I goofed and I did not realize that I wasn't recording while I was cutting everything up, but it's just cutting things. I quartered the tomato here. I just trimmed the lemongrass to just the stalks of it, cut up the celery, and then this, I shredded the purple cabbage, and then I washed the bean sprouts with the mint that I've also kind of shredded up into little pieces. So basically what we're working with right now. Sorry about that. And then I'm gonna fry up this fish. This fish pretty much goes in at the end. And then this tofu we're gonna be using to make, again, that real part of the Riêu. I'll show you guys how to do that in just a second, okay? All right.
apologize. Just got out of the pool. The guy in.
This is bom Riêu.
I feel like I've had this before.
I think you've had it at my parents' house before.
This is cabbage. Smells like it.
Careful with the tofu, it's really hot, okay?
Mmm. Well, hopefully blow it off.
Is that good?
Try it, Mom. You guys really like nutritious. Very nutritious. Excuse me. A lot of good flavor.
Is that good?
I do. I want to try all this, but it's a little on the warm side. Give me a second.
Good?
Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
Much appreciated.